Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In this video I will show you how to replace headlights or headlight light bulbs on a 2008 Chevy Impala. This video applies to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2016. Okay, to start, lift up the front hood, and the first thing you will have to do is to remove this 7mm small screw right here. Okay, so this is the screw, you can put it aside. And the next thing you want to do, you want to lift up this white plastic clip to unlock this headlight on this side. So this is the piece. You can see there is the pin here which is holding the headlight while this white clip is inside. And once you've done that, you just want to wiggle your headlight and pull it straight out. Okay, I'm trying to work with one hand here. Okay, and that's pretty much it. It's very easy to do it on this car compared to Ford Taurus, for example. This literally takes you only a couple of minutes to pull it out. Okay, so if you are replacing a complete headlight assembly, you just want to disconnect this big connector right here. There is a clip just here on top of it, so just press onto it and try to wiggle it off. Okay, and this is your Chevy Impala headlight, so you can just install the new one in, and that's it. If you are replacing only one of the light bulbs in the headlight, so pretty much for the turn signal light bulb, you just want to turn this light bulb socket counterclockwise and pull the light bulb out, and then just pretty much pull it out and install the new one in. Same thing goes for the clearance light, so also just turn the socket counterclockwise and pull the light bulb out. If you are replacing high beam or low beam light bulbs, they are behind these black covers. To access them, you want to turn this cover counterclockwise as well. Okay, just like this, and there is your light bulb inside. And also to remove it and replace it, just turn it counterclockwise like this and pull it straight out and install the new one. Yeah, Chevy Impalas are very do-it-yourself friendly, so please don't take your Impala to the shop to replace your light bulbs, because literally it's gonna take you 5 minutes and you will save some money. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.